Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and again another video on board of the Silence S01. And I already did the review and the presentation of this electric scooter equivalent to 125. There will be a link somewhere here, you guys can check it if you want. And today I'm just gonna do a simple range test, okay, using it on my everyday commute from home to work, using the speeds that I normally do. I'm not gonna push it more than it is. I'm gonna ride like I do to work every day, okay? So I'm gonna have the real feel how it fits my needs. This doesn't mean it's the same for you, because I'll be riding most of the time on a street like this, no traffic, no regeneration, no nothing. So but this is my daily commute, and this is where I do need the electric scooters, if I own one, to perform well and to see how it performs. The only important thing here at this moment is that I left my home with the battery 99%, full charge, 237 kilometers. It's when I started. It will be around 22.5 kilometers until I reach my office, and when I reach there I will know how much battery it drained. One thing, since I'm riding on these roads where the traffic is intense sometimes and all that stuff, I'm gonna always be on city mode, which is basically the one that lets me go at 86 kilometers an hour. Okay, 86 kilometers an hour. I thought it was going much faster, but this is the mode that I'll be riding, and I'll return in a while with the conclusions after I reach my destination, make my calculations and give you that thoughts. Okay, here I am after being to work, did all the stuff I have to do, and now I'm here in Alfragide, near the Auto Industrial where the motorcycle belongs to. I'm gonna deliver it, and I'm gonna give you my conclusions about how much battery it spends and how it would work on my everyday commute. Basically, to do those 22.5 kilometers, I spent 29-30% battery, which means I would have battery for a full day commute and to return to the work in the next day. And when I reached my office, I would need to charge it to go back home. So basically it's a day and a half, because 30, 60, 90%, so it's 22 plus 22, 44, plus 22, 60, 66 for 90%. So I would still have a little bit battery, 70 kilometers top, with riding in the city mode, okay, which is the most powerful mode. And something that I didn't mention, I think I didn't mention on the review, it's the city mode. We do not have regeneration of the battery. Look, I'm giving it throttle, and now I'm gonna leave the throttle, and as you can see, there is no regeneration there, okay? Even if I press the brakes, there is no regeneration indication there. But if I do change for eco mode, which is the one that I am now, I'm giving it throttle, indicating that it's giving throttle. I'm gonna release the throttle, and as you guys can see there, it is regenerating the battery, and I do feel the motorcycle slowing down while it is regenerating. Another thing, it regenerates a little bit, but if you press the brakes, it will do a better regeneration. So let me go exemplify this here, do this roundabout here again, and here we go. I'm gonna go, no one coming, no, so I'm gonna release, it does half regeneration. Soon as I press the brakes, look, the regeneration, it goes full. So basically, city mode, no regeneration. Eco mode, it does the regeneration. So back to city. Then this is it, guys. This is my conclusions. It would suit me. It would suit my basic needs for everyday commute. One day and a half. It's more than enough for me. Then charge and everything. If you're thinking about buying an electric scooter, this is probably a good solution. It has reasonable range, 70 kilometers, full throttle. Battery, the engine, it's powerful enough. I do like the engine, and it is in a campaign at the moment, 5,000 euros. No more, just 5,000 euros, and you have this motorcycle for you. It's limited to the stock, okay, like I said in the review. But if you are interested, just run to the dealership. It's right here. I'm here in Alfragide, okay. If you guys live in Lisbon, it's where I'm gonna pick it up. More ahead there is the Staples, that big supply for the home and the office and everything. And it's a little bit more ahead of Staples that you will find Auto Industrial, and where this motorcycle and where they have these motorcycles available for you. And it's where I'm gonna leave this one right now. So if this video was helpful somehow, please don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!